Again, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 3, 4 E and the 1, 2, 3, 4. I messed up. Hey, wonderful orchestra students. First of all, I miss you all dearly. And I hope you are all doing your part in staying home and taking responsibility, helping out your parents. Mr. Mejia and I will try to do more videos so that we can explain concepts more easier, and also that you can see us because we know that you miss us. Today's learning target is I can count. So in front of us is a piece of music in 4/4 time signature. Do you guys recall that? 4/4 time signature. That means there are 4 quarter note beats per measure. So the number on the top of the time signature means there are how many, and the number on the bottom means what gets the beat. So 4 here represents quarter notes. So in 4/4 time signature, there are 4 quarter notes. Now let's take that to 3/4 time signature. Of course, the 4 on the bottom means the quarter note gets the beat, and then how many per measure? There are 3 quarter notes per measure. So this is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter notes per measure. And in 3/4 time signature, there are 1, 2, 3 quarter notes per measure. Now, it doesn't always have to be quarter notes. The music will be very boring if we just have quarter notes all the time. So it can be also in 4/4 time signature, 2 half notes, or a dotted half note with a quarter note, or a whole note, so on and so on. And we're gonna review this later on the screen. Alright, so here we see from the top, this note, the very top note, is a whole note. And then whole note can be divided into all these, all the way down. 2 half notes equal a whole note. And there are 4 quarter notes within this whole note. And if we keep dividing further, there are 8 notes in the whole note, and 16th notes in the whole note. Let's see. This will help us see better. Here's a pie chart. Think about it as pizza. Cheese pizza, your favorite. Let's see. So whole note gets the whole pizza, whole note. And then we're gonna divide the pizza in half. There are 2 halves in that whole pizza, in the half notes. In 4/4 time signature, the whole note gets 4 beats. Half notes get 2 beats each. And then we're gonna slice the pizza into 4, because you guys have maybe 4 family members. So here's 4 quarter notes in the whole note. And then if we keep dividing it further, 8 notes and 16th notes. Here is a sight reading factory exercise. Remember those guys? Again, the time signature is 4/4, and then we are going to give it a tempo. I set it up to quarter note equals 72. Let's hear it. Here's our metronome. Click, click. 1, 2, 3, 4. So every measure has 4 beats in it. Here we go. Let's count it together. 1, 2, ready, and go. And 1 and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 off. So you guys remember that the half note gets 2 beats. That's why we said 1 and 2, 3, because we do not want to say 3, 4. That means there's another quarter note there. And for the whole note here, we're just going to hold the beat 1. 1, 4 beats. Let's go to next example. Ooh, these guys, this one has some rests. So let's take a look at this measure. It's got half note, which is how many beats, guys? 2, you're right. And then we have to have 4 beats, so what do you think this will count for? 2 plus blank is 4. 2, and that is a half rest. So the same value as the half note. Okay, and then here it is again. Half rest. So that's 2 beats. And then here's a quarter note. So that's 2 plus 1 is 3, but we need 4 beats. So that is a beat 1, quarter rest. Let's count this together. 1, 2, 3, and go. And 1, 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 3. You guys got it? Let's try another one. Ooh, something exciting. I see 2 bars that are going to be a bit more exciting than the other ones. Measure 2 and measure 4. What is this called, guys? Do you guys remember? 6th graders, I don't expect you to know this. But our 7th and 8th graders, that's right, this is guacamole. I've been eating lots of avocados, staying at home. Yes, 16th notes. There are 4 16th notes per quarter note. So let's count it out. Here's a half rest again, which is 2 beats. 2 plus 1 is 3. And 3 plus blank is 4. So that is beat. That only has 1 beat. And we just gotta have to fit all those notes in this click. Like 1E and a 2E and a, or easier. Guacamole, 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 guacamole. Now let's go to bar 4. Ooh, the dot on the side of the note. That is a dotted half note. Remember, the dot always adds half of the note. So half of the half note is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So this counts for 3 beats. Let's say this together. Ready? 2, ready, and go. And 1 and 2, 3, 4. 3, guacamole. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1. And let's do it. I'm gonna say the rest this time. One last time. So, guys, make sure you're saying this with me. Ready? Go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 3, guacamole. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1. Rest. To hear the same exercise, you can hit this play button up here and listen to it and follow the cursor. One and 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 3, guacamole. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1. Rest. Now also next to the play button, there are some audio play options. Unclick that. Let's see what happens. There's no sound. Okay, I'll pause that. Now, one cool thing is, I'm going to turn that on so you can hear it. you guys can select the measures. Another cool option is that you can pick a song that you like as a background and then sing with it. So I'm going to choose this background music. I don't listen to this, but I thought it was cool background music. Those of you that love anime, I think it's from anime. Kiki's Broom. I forget the name of it, but it's got the word Kiki in it. Let's do it together. 1, 2, ready and go. And 1 and 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 3, guacamole. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1. Rest again. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 3, 4 E and a 1, 2, 3, 4. I messed up. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 3, guacamole. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, and so on. And I pause it. Now, I think this plus sign cursor means that I can select the measure. Yes! So if you select the measure and then play it, it'll play the measure over and over again. Rest. Again. Cool. And you can even loop it. Repeat and loop. Try again. Rest, rest. 3, guacamole. Rest, rest. 3, guacamole. All right. So I hope you guys have fun with this. And we'll see you next time in the next DLD. Say something nice to your parents today. Bye.